Let me first start by giving you some background information on Canadian Jewish Heritage Month. In 2018, Parliament unanimously passed a bill proclaiming that throughout Canada, the month of May will be marked as Canadian Jewish Heritage Month. This type of initiative helps Canadians understand one another by allowing different communities and cultures to be showcased and celebrated. Understanding and appreciating the contribution different communities make to Canada brings us closer together. Also, in April of 2022, the Montreal City Councillor for the district where the synagogue is located tabled a motion to City Council to recognize May as Jewish Heritage Month. It was adopted unanimously. In most settings, the efforts to achieve harmony in institutions are often marked by tensions between those who strive for unity at all costs and those who are protective of diversity and the need to maintain this distinct group identity. This was not and has not been an issue in Montreal's Spanish and Portuguese congregation. Now, allow me to explain. The diverse composition of the synagogue's membership shows the migration waves in Montreal over the past 50 years. Following the dismantle of colonial empires, newly acquired independence of Middle East countries have resulted in Jewish local populations being victims of violence, losing their status, and being forced to exile. These members spoke a variety of languages and brought with them an even greater variety of customs. What they had in common was a link with the larger Sephardic world and the need to associate with like-minded people, notwithstanding their superficial but real diversity in both languages and customs. This is why our synagogue is unique in Montreal. It is home to a culturally diverse membership of over 800 families. Many of those families immigrated to Canada from the Maghreb, the Middle East, from such countries as Iraq, Morocco, Lebanon, Egypt, Tunisia, Ethiopia, and from countries in Eastern Europe as well, Poland, Romania, and Russia. Some were English-speaking and some French-speaking. Our most recent members come from France. The Spanish and Portuguese synagogue holds different minyanim both during the year and during high holidays, at which time Iraqis hold their own minyan, so do Lebanese, Moroccans, Ashkenazim, and Ethiopians. We all celebrate together, yet each keeping their own liturgy, rites, and customs, and we're all under one roof. Our former rabbi, Howard Joseph, Zichrono Libracha, always liked to underscore the constructed harmony of the Montreal community, as he compared it to a Jewish United Nations. French, English, Hebrew, and Arabic cohabit. Moroccans have learned to eat tabit, which is an Iraqi dish, and Iraqis have learned to love tafina, which is a Moroccan dish, followed by Lebanese baklava. In conclusion, one asks the question, can we be united and yet come from diverse backgrounds? That's a definite yes for me. We are seeing not only in our synagogue, but also in our Montreal society. Our city is known for its cultural diversity, in the arts, in religious practices, and in celebrations of various holidays. In reflecting on unity and diversity, we can say this is what makes us strong, united, true members of the Spanish and Portuguese synagogue, and true residents of Quebec.